Okay. Okay. Just recording. Julie's got a video camera. Okay, ready? So I can seal?
Yeah.
It's not. You gotta let go of your suction. Because otherwise it's not going to fill back up with air. Here we go. I'm going to make it really powerful. I'll even do, let's go take it to another level here.
Yes.
See what happens here. But doesn't break your hand. Well, that one. You get a good seal. No, here, let me do it. You get a good one here. You ready?
Yeah.
You seal?
Oh my god.
Really, get a good seal.
I'm trying to.
I can try it.
There.
Here we go, Katrina. You ready? Ready? Set.
Go.
Something came out of my hand.
That's funny as before.
No. Where?
Oh, you do it, Katrina. Oh, very good.
I think it sounds better if we do it with our hands because there's
Oh my gosh.
such a difference in pressure when you do it with your hands.
Yeah, here. Let me try it. Here, get a good seal. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Go.
Go. That's really loud.
Let me do this with my feet.
You do it with your feet.
Oh, this is
Oh my god.
Yeah, Katrina, wait, you gotta let go. So it'll fill back up. Katrina, wait, Katrina, you gotta wait for it to fill back up. There.
Here, okay, step on it.
There.
And we do a power one here.
Let me do it with my feet.
No,
Okay.
Katrina, that sounds cool.
Uh-oh. Oh, it needs to fill up again. Let's do another
try.
really powerful one.
Let me do it with my feet.
No, Katrina, sounds so cool.
Here.
Come on.
The medium one's the best.
Katrina,
Katrina.
Katrina, do it with your hands. Do it with your hands, Katrina.
Do it with your hands.
Katrina, do it with your hands. Katrina, do it with your hands.
Watch this, Katrina.
Down,
Stereo. Okay.
Painful.
Oh my gosh. Katrina, watch this. Oh.
Ah!
One more.
Let me do it with my feet. Let me
Okay,
do
whoa,
it.
careful.
No, Katrina, do it with your hands. Do it with your hands, Katrina. Katrina, do it with your hands.
Uh-oh.
Hands, Katrina.
Do it with
Your hands. Do your
Ow,
hands.
Katrina.
Careful. Do your hands, baby. It doesn't do good.
Oh, I don't get you weak guys.
Do it with your hands, Katrina.
Do your hands. You don't feel like you're strong enough?
Katrina, try it with your hands.
Let me do it.
Do it with your hands.
There you go. See, you're strong enough. P-U-E. Can you see your face? Oh, you can see your face. Oh, do it again. So easily entertained.
I know, it's all I do. Katrina, that's small things.
Here, let me do it.
Here.
Let me try that.
Let me try, Katrina. Let me try.
Let Sissy try.
Let me try.
See if I can.
Do a good
Here,
second.
here. Right there, here. Alright, you see. No.
Let me do it.
Wait,
No.
We have to wait for Daddy to get a good suction in. So.
I want to do the top. do it more.
Katrina, you're messing
Hit it
up.
with your hands.
Good hand.
Here, wait, like this. Watch, like this. Aww.
It's not strong enough.
Here, like this, Katrina.
Oh, no.
Let me do it.
Katrina, you pulled it all the way up.
That doesn't work like that.
Oh, you want to try it. I see. Put your hands together and try it. Let's see if you can do it. Here, squeeze your hands. No. You have to be a little bit older, I think. Poor baby.
Oh, your hands aren't curvy enough on the inside.
You can't do it. Poor baby.
Oh, well, you can squeeze it.
You can do this. You can help.
Yeah.
The experiment. Oh,
Oh my. Do that.
squeeze it.
Me squeeze with my feet.
Here, let's fill up. Okay, now.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm squeezing too tight. Okay, here we go. Fill up. Okay, now hit it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here, you hit it real hard.
Here. You have to fill up there.
Okay, let's get.
You hold it
Okay.
and
Time to
drag
feed you,
it.
Katrina.
Time to eat, Katrina.
Okay, turn it off.
Bye bye, YouTube.